25 original inspirational ideas. Self-reflection and exploration. 1. Keep a journal to explore your dreams, values, and what gives your life meaning. 2. Reflect on your childhood interests. What did you naturally gravitate toward? 3. Write down your ideal day in vivid detail and identify themes that emerge. 4. Ask friends and family what they see as your unique strengths. 5. Create a vision board to visualize what you want in life. Pursuing passion. 6. Experiment with hobbies. Try something new every month. 7. Reconnect with activities you once loved but stopped doing. 8. List the causes or issues you care deeply about. 9. Follow your curiosity wherever it leads, no matter how small the interest. 10. Spend time with people who inspire you and align with your values. Service and connection. 11. Volunteer for organizations that align with your passions. 12. Mentor someone in a skill you excel at. 13. Join a community group or cause you feel drawn to. 14. Help someone in need and reflect on how it makes you feel. 15. Teach or share your knowledge with others. Expanding perspective. 16. Travel to new places to gain fresh perspectives on life. 17. Read biographies of people who lived purposeful lives. 18. Take a personality or strengths test to learn more about yourself. 19. Attend workshops or seminars on personal growth or career development. 20. Set small goals and experiment with different paths to see what resonates. Living with intention. 21. Practice mindfulness to connect with your inner voice. 22. Let go of fear by embracing failure as part of the journey. 23. Surround yourself with people who encourage and challenge you. 24. Create a personal mission statement to define what you stand for. 25. Revisit and refine your goals regularly as you grow and evolve. Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment.